In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your tickets on Viagogo. Whether it's for a concert, sports event, or a theatre performance, learning to list your tickets for sale can be incredibly convenient, ensuring that your unused tickets can find a new home while you recoup your costs. Viagogo is a global online platform where you can buy and sell tickets safely and efficiently, and it's quite user-friendly. So let's dive in and guide you through the entire process. First, what you need to do is go to the Viagogo website, open your preferred web browser and type in the website URL, or simply search for Viagogo in your search engine. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which the site guides you through with simple and clear instructions. Once you're logged in, look for the sell option on the main page. It's often situated at the top of the page in the navigation bar. Click on sell. This action will redirect you to a new page dedicated to selling tickets. Now from here, what you want to do is click on the sell tickets button. This will take you one step closer to listing your tickets for sale. On the next page, you should see the option to sell my tickets. Go ahead and click on that. This part of the process is where you'll start entering specific details about your event, which is essential for ensuring your tickets are listed accurately and reach the right audience. Now from this point, search for the specific tickets you wish to sell. This means typing in keywords related to your event, such as the artist's name, the team, or the name of the theatre production. Viagogo's search function is designed to help you find your event quickly and efficiently, minimizing confusion. Once you've found your event, you'll be able to enter all necessary ticket details. This includes the number of tickets, seating details, and the price you wish to sell them for. Be sure to double check all information for accuracy, because these details are vital to potential buyers. And just like that, you've listed your tickets for sale on Viagogo. Remember, it's important to check your email regularly after listing, as you'll receive notifications once your tickets sell or if there are any inquiries. Viagogo takes care of the payment process to ensure you receive your funds once the tickets are sold. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to get your tickets listed on Viagogo. This not only ensures you can recover some, if not all, of your ticket expenses, but also allows someone else to enjoy the event you're giving them access to. Be sure to keep us bookmarked for more guides like this, and happy selling.